Okay, folks, I have another Smiley360 package. I am about to open it up to show you what I have. This is another unboxing for Smiley360. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, it's wet tissue paper. Instead of the normal colors they are. It's normally what, blue and yellow or something like that. First of all, I see the little roller thing. I am in the Airheads candy craft kit. And the Airheads, thanks a lot, kitty cat. And the Airheads mission. Here is a little dude, I guess make all pretty things with. And another little card that you get all the time. And then a whole bunch of watermelon, orange, blue raspberry, cherry, grape, blue raspberry, white mystery, blue raspberry, white mystery, a pack of Airheads Bites Fruities. Says now with white mystery in the pack. Another pack of Airheads Bites Fruit, and a thing of Airhead Extreme Rainbow Berry. And that was all that was in. Ooh, no, my bad. And what is it? 4 sticks, lollipop sticks. And that's all that's inside my Airhead candy craft kit. Y'all will see what I create pretty soon. And again, thank you to Smiley360 for this lovely mission that I am in. And I received this product for free, but my opinions are 100% my own. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.